I felt like as a student I was respected and I had a voice.
VLK launch is about designing the new school and getting it to what the community needs and the best fit for us. Our team that we had like 2 coaches, so they were focused on the athletic side, and then they were teachers. I think we had an English teacher there, and me as a student, and like a librarian.
The 3-story library was the main power move, kind of power play in the design, so I think that was the biggest thing that I liked. But just like all the other groups, we put in a lot of effort in our design, and we felt that our design was one of the best because it utilized so much. It did the 3-story library, the 2-story CTE building, and then having certain pods for certain subjects.
It was really cool, and I think it'll be fun to go back when I have kids in my hometown and look around and show that I helped design this.